SE 2026 and come to our booth, AVCiT. This is launched from AVCiT. So coming to the first, let's go to see what we're showcasing this year. So coming to the first, this is our fiber KVM matrix. So we can see the connections between our system. This is our main host and the backup host. So we connect with our fiber ports to the transceiver and receiver. So let's see, come closer. So there are different module cards installed in our host. So we can see the I/O card is for the fiber connections to the transmitter and receiver. And then there's a 6 input and 6 output card. It's for video switching. This one is for the video wall controller cards. So we can see this 8 channels output. And then we also can support the I/Os and the IP input cards. So they can get access to third parties RTS streaming input. So let's see what features we have by the fiber KVM matrix. So to the OSD menu, we can get access to different PCs that access by our KVM system. So we can see, we can get access control. The keyboard and mouse latency are very low, so it is lower than 2 milliseconds. So we can feel the experience. Besides that, we can also have the better image qualities of the original image. Just like we can see the colors, we can get the 4x4x4 corners for the original image. Besides that, with our redundancy policy, so we can see we can jet out one of the links to the transceiver. So after repart, so the image no blink. At the same time, so if we plug out the connection between the backup devices, so it's the same low breath and low blinking.